Hi, and welcome to LoomWithin, where we explore the connections between emotions, behavior, and personal growth. Today, we're diving into a sensitive but important topic: the words parents use and how they shape their children's emotional well-being. Every parent wants the best for their child, but sometimes, the things we say, intentionally or unintentionally, can have lasting impacts. Here are 8 toxic things parents often say to their children and why they should be avoided. Point 1. Why can't you be more like your sibling? Comparison may seem harmless, but it often fosters resentment and a sense of inadequacy in children. Instead, focus on encouraging their unique strengths. Point 2. You'll never amount to anything. Words like these can shatter a child's self-esteem. Instead, offer guidance and remind them that mistakes are opportunities to learn and grow. Point 3. Stop crying, or I'll give you something to cry about. This dismisses their emotions and teaches them to suppress their feelings. Encourage them to express themselves and validate their emotions instead. Point 4. Because I said so. While it's tempting to use authority as the final answer, children benefit from understanding the why behind decisions. This promotes critical thinking and trust. Point 5. You're too sensitive. Sensitivity isn't a weakness, it's a strength. Labeling them as too sensitive can discourage emotional openness. Instead, acknowledge their feelings and help them process emotions. Point 6. I wish you were never born. This is one of the most damaging things a parent could say, even in anger. Children internalize this as rejection. Remember to pause and reflect before speaking in heated moments. Point 7. You're such a disappointment. Criticism of this kind lingers and can impact self-worth. Focus on constructive feedback, emphasizing what they can do to improve rather than condemning them as a person. Point 8. You should be grateful for everything I do for you. While teaching gratitude is important, this statement can make children feel guilty for having needs. Instead, model gratitude and communicate openly about family efforts. Closing thoughts. Parenting is challenging, and we all make mistakes. What matters is our willingness to learn, grow, and repair relationships with our children. Words are powerful, they can either build or break. Let's strive to use them wisely. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LoomWithin for more content on emotional growth and mental well-being.